Did you know thousands of fireflies can create nature's most spectacular light show in perfect harmony? Deep in Tennessee's Great Smoky Mountains, a single firefly blinks alone in the darkness of late May. This seems completely normal, just another insect going about its nightly routine. But what happens next occurs nowhere else in North America. Suddenly, one by one, thousands of Photinus carolinus fireflies begin joining this lone beacon. Across entire mountainsides, they start coordinating their flashes in perfect unison. Scientists still can't fully explain how they achieve this synchronization without any central leader. No conductor, no signal, just pure natural coordination. Then comes the breathtaking climax. Entire valleys pulse with unified light every 4 seconds, like a massive heartbeat of pure illumination. Mountains become living Christmas trees, blinking in perfect rhythm. This magical display lasts only 2 weeks each year. Only 12 firefly species worldwide can synchronize, but this Tennessee population creates the most spectacular display on Earth. Nature's largest coordinated light show, hidden in the Smoky Mountains.